Okay, hey everybody. I don't know if you can see that. It says 14.7 on the tripometer. So we're going to see if the oil seal worked. And it says within, let me pull out the bottle here. Okay. Most leaks will stop within 100 miles or 2 days of driving. Okay, so let's see. Shall we back it up and see what we get? It's been 2 days, but I haven't been driving it 2 days. So we shall see if we got even lighter coat. We saw the beginning, so let's see the end here. Okay, let's check it out. And looks like a little better, but not all the way. So that didn't work yet. But it says 2 days of driving or 100 miles. So we'll see when we get to 100 miles or 2 days of driving. Okay? Talk to you then. I'm going to wipe this oil off right now because I did it the other day. I've been wiping it off each day. So we'll see how this works. I got one more shot with something else if this doesn't work. So talk to you then.